Every journey begins with a spark, an idea, a question. For me, it was the simple thought: could I build something useful, something that harnessed the sun's energy with just my own two hands? The beauty of DIY isn't just in the outcome, but in the process of understanding each piece, each connection. It's about turning abstract concepts into tangible reality. This is where the magic happens, where theory meets practice, and every small step brings you closer to a working device. It's a dance of precision and patience, learning with every twist of a wire, every flicker of the soldering iron, and then the moment you've been working towards. A small light, a charging phone. It's not about replacing the grid. It's about proving to yourself what's possible. It's about the power of making and the incredible satisfaction of bringing an idea to life. This isn't just a device. It's a testament to curiosity, to learning, and to the endless possibilities that open up when you dare to build. What will you create next?